Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So this channel is about beauty, lifestyle, and sometimes a little vlog here and there. And I just want to show you guys these booby tapes that I got from VBY company. I hope I'm saying it, you guys, right. And I'm gonna be trying to show y'all how to put these on. I hope I put them on correctly. Comment below if I didn't, but you guys, I don't know if you know, you're gonna see in these videos, like my boobies is very like voluptuous. And I think it's because I just finished having my son like 3 years ago, you guys.
Don't do it.
And if anything holds them up, is this. So I really suggest to all my big chested girls, run out and use this, you guys. And I'm pretty sure it's a code. I'll be leaving it down in the description box. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Because I struggled to put this video together. I don't know how I was gonna do this without popping out a boobie, you know? So I wish I can. I'll just show y'all how to instruct these for education purposes only. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the outro. Okay, you guys, so like I said in the intro, this is for education purposes only, you guys. Okay, so for this summer, we're not wearing no bras, okay, and we're not having saggy titties. This is not where we're gonna have. We're not going to do that. So I'm going to show you everything that came in the box. Okay, I love the box. It's pink and blue. It's so pretty, right? So this is the box here, and it actually came with 2 tapes, one black, one white. You guys, I actually really like this. Okay, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So it actually came with nipple covers. I don't know why I didn't put this on in the video. I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to put this on. And yeah, I don't really see a lot of people do this, but I wanted to show you guys how to actually put it on. And I still don't know how to put it on because I think I did it wrong. Like, it's not a lot of instructions on this. So it was very easy putting it on and off. Okay, you guys, and these are the nipple covers that I should have obviously covered my nipples with. Like, I don't know why I didn't use these, but like I said, I'm gonna make another video to really demonstrate it a little bit more, because this one, I feel like this is just like a tester. I don't know what I was doing, and I had to watch videos to really see how to put it on. So now you open the tape, right, you guys, and it's a adhesive part. So this is the tape, and then it's this white part at the back. You want to strip that off, you guys. You cut it and then you strip it off, and then you start placing it from the bottom to the top. So this is the before and the after. Sorry, I didn't shave my underarms, you guys. It's so embarrassing, but like I said, I really wanted to get this video out, and I might make another one. So don't forget to like this video, share it to your friend, you guys, okay? And watch it to the end. Don't fast forward, don't scroll. Just watch it to the end, okay? So you peel that tape off, okay? And after you peel that off, you guys, you start from the bottom. It's very important that you start from the bottom because you don't want your titties to remain saggy. You start from the bottom and you go and you place it upwards. So I really like this tape, okay? And you can put as little as much as you want, you guys. Let me know if I should make another tutorial on how to do this, because I honestly feel like I don't know what I was doing, but at the end you're gonna see like I did it wrong. It was so hilarious because I don't understand why it didn't work out for me, but I understand when I watch the video. That's why it's very educational to watch and to read the directions, okay? So right here, you guys, is the moment I knew I messed up. Like, this was not the shirt for this booby tapes. Like, it's really, I am going to record another video with a different shirt on. But this shirt was not, like, doing it no justice right here. I don't know. I thought this was the shirt to wear with it because obviously I can't really wear any bra with this shirt because of that one strap on that side. But you guys, I'm going to try it with another shirt. Comment down below what shirt you think I should try it with to make sure, you know, I get the best results, because I'm going to put a side-by-side on the my before and afters. I want to see if it really makes a difference, you guys. I want to give you guys an honest review on this tape and if we should go braless or not. So this is the before without me having the tape on, and this is me having the tape on.